Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Ragini Somthankar, the Director of English Learning Academy, and you are watching my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel and also click on the like button. If you want to know more about the English speaking, personality development, soft skills, communication skills and the professional English also, you can call me on 7741995544. In last few sessions, we have seen from the basic level to advanced level. I have taken lots of videos or lots of sessions on the basic grammar also and the soft skills also. In today's session, I am going to tell you about the vocabulary building, which is very important to improve your English language. If you want to get command over the English language, if you want to be a good communicator, good speaker, then you must have the ample of or lots of vocabulary. You should have lots of words also, words and their meanings. And to just words and meaning, it is not important. You should know the various kinds of idioms also and phrases also, because all idioms and phrases are add-on of the language. You can impress the world by using these kind of add-on words also. So this is very important, that how the way you can improve your vocabulary. In today's session, I am going to tell you in a 4 way that how you can improve your vocabulary in a very fast manner. There is no need to sit at home for the lots of time, and you cannot able to, if you cannot able to give a lot of time to improve your English, but if you can follow these kind of 4 techniques, 4 steps, then definitely you can improve your vocabulary. See, whenever we are completing our graduation, we are knowing 4 to 5 thousand words approximately, which is related to our subject or which is related to our streams. But if you want to be a good speaker or communicator, you should know 10 to 12,000 words approximately. Whenever you have these kind of treasure of words, then definitely you can be a good speaker and you can express whatever you want to feel. So these are the techniques we are going to start. The first one is listening. Yes, I told you in my previous sessions also that listening is the most important part which you have to do each and every day. This is unavoided, because whenever you are having a time for the 15 minutes also, 10 minutes also, and if you are listening something very attentively, then definitely you can get to know more and more and more words. Whenever you are having some difficulties to knowing the meaning of that word, then definitely you can get the you are trying to get the meaning also. So this is only the way, very nice way, that where you can improve your vocabulary, you can enhance your vocabulary. Listening, every day you will have to do just 15 minutes listening at least, 10 minutes listening at least, because of the this quarantine period. Everyone has a lot of time, everyone is staying at home, and in this time you can have the ample of time, you can get time to listen something more prominently. So do this activity every day. Then second one is reading. See, you will have to read something also. Every day you will have to read. It is not necessary that you will have to read only just any newspaper. You can read the novels also, you can read the storybooks also, whatever it may be. But do reading every day, because reading only the way when you can get the knowledge also, and when you can get the difficult or different kinds of words also. Lots of phrases, lots of sentence constructions are using in the various kinds of novels also, in various kinds of articles, in various kinds of books. So just read and acquire the knowledge of the difficult words. And now whenever you are doing the listening and the reading, at that time you will come to know some difficult words also. Whenever you will stuck on any difficult words, you can just go through the dictionary. So to refer this dictionary, it is also important thing that whenever you have the difficult words, you just go through the dictionary, refer dictionaries and just find out the meaning. Whenever you are finding one word or one meaning of any one word, then simultaneously you will come to know the synonyms also and the antonyms also, and how that word you can use in the sentences, in various types of sentences, that also you will come to know. So referring a dictionary, it is very important part in this vocabulary building session. Then the fourth thing is that you will have to do learn a word a day. Every day at least you will have to learn a word and you will have to implement from the next day. Every day if you are learning one word at least, and the next day you will start to implement in your daily conversation, then definitely you can learn lots of word in a week. So my dear viewers, just go this with these 4 techniques, 4 skills to improve your vocabulary. If you can enhance your vocabulary, then definitely you can be a good speaker, you can be a good communicator. Listening every day, just make a plan accordingly that you will have to do the listenings for 10 minutes or reading for 15 minutes. Dictionary you are referring according to the time and learn a word a day. That is by default you will come to know lots of words here if you are doing consistently the listening and the reading. So these 4 techniques, these 4 skills, if you follow every day, then definitely you can be a good communicator, you can be a good speaker, and you can impress the people also by using the add-on of language. So thank you, take care, stay tuned till my next sessions. Bye.